How can I lose belly fat faster? What is a step-by-step method? Before you start, don't forget to subscribe to Belly Fat Zone channel to update new video. Yes, you can burn belly fat extremely fast with the right method. Here is a step-by-step approach that you can follow. 1. Cut down on sugar and refined carbs. These foods can spike your insulin levels and promote fat storage in the abdominal area. So, it is important to cut down on them if you want to lose belly fat. 2. Eat more protein and fiber. Protein and fiber help keep you feeling full, so you will be less likely to overeat and put on belly fat. 3. Get moving. Exercise is one of the most effective ways to burn calories and promote weight loss. So, make sure to get moving and burn those belly fat calories. 4. Reduce stress. Stress can lead to unhealthy eating habits and promote the accumulation of belly fat. So, it is important to find ways to reduce stress in your life. 5. Sleep well. Getting enough sleep is important for overall health and can also help you lose weight. So, make sure to get plenty of rest to burn belly fat and stay healthy.